gave him his rights, and my lord, he said he understood, and my lord started to tell me, my lord, about his knowledge or involvement in this case.
U-Sayitsheni uMogola uthi wazivumela kanjena ke uSibiya ecaleni lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa. Uthi wamxwayisa ukuthi akaphoqelekile ukuvuma leli cala.
I stopped him, my lord, as he continued, and told him, my lord, that he to reiterate, my lord, to say he is not compelled to make any admissions or confession, my lord.
Ngokusho kukaMogola, uSibiya wazivumela yena lokhu ehostela khathi benza uphenyo emva kokutholakala kweinhlamvu zesibhamu.
That's why, my lord, I further asked him, why are you telling me this? He even asked me, what did I mean by that? And I told him, my lord, that you saw people were wrongfully arrested and the case, my lord, was still unsolved. Why didn't you come forward and tell the police that?
uSibiya usiphosela inselele isitatimende asenza mhlazane eboshwa njengoba ethi washaywa ngaphambi kokuthi asenze.